Hi, I'm Anne-Marie from Sheridan Interiors. Today's project is all about a bathroom renovation. Started out as a DIY project, clients got stuck, called me in, and it turned out amazing. Let's go talk to Matt and Francine and find out about their story, the process, and show you how it turned out.
This project started a few years ago, and a leaking shower faucet prompted a decision to embark on a renovation of our main washroom. We knew we wanted to relocate several of our main fixtures. Example, the bathtub used to be right here behind us under where the vanity is now. We had one sink, and it just wasn't functional for our needs, and we knew we needed to make a change. We wanted a double vanity. We wanted to increase the functionality of our main washroom.
And we realized kind of when we started shopping for various items that we were kind of stuck, and the options that were being presented to us or that we were looking at really were kind of on the safe side. We had at one point selected our vanity and our tub, and we really wanted those to be some focal points of our washroom. And we realized when looking for tile, it was difficult to try to find a tile that would not overtake or overshadow our vanity and our tub, which we wanted to highlight.
Yeah, I think we went with a bold choice with the blue for the vanity. We wanted to unlock the potential of those key pieces, and with that we were really struggling trying to find a tile that would tie everything together and not look tacky.
A family member recommended Anne-Marie to us, and Anne-Marie had done several projects for them. Something that stood out for them, she would take their ideas and their taste and work with that. So when we reached out to Anne-Marie, we knew it would be somebody who would not only help us kind of put the whole thing together, but also incorporate our ideas and our vision for this washroom. When we met Anne-Marie, we had given her a list of words that we would have wanted to describe our washroom. My words were clean, coordinated, and classy.
And mine were clean, bright, and focused. I really wanted to pay, and put emphasis on the key pieces like the vanity and make sure they popped.
Actually, she presented one option right away, and we immediately liked it. It was exactly what we wanted.
Yeah, one of the most helpful pieces was the computer-aided design drawings she provided back to us of concepts and what it would look like finished. And it was easy at that point to sign off and say this is exactly what we wanted. So in the design, the attention to detail of the space is definitely evident. All the grout lines, the intersection points meet up with the key pieces of the shower spouts and the lights, making for that nice seamless layout. The large format tiles too that have they're not very busy. They lead to that calmness for the space.
Yeah, which is something we were really looking for, right? And then when you combine that with the finer finishes, the quartz, for example, that was something we would not have come up with on our own.
So Sheridan Interiors came well recommended to us via a family member, and we would have no problems recommending Sheridan Interiors to family and friends, and hopefully on another project of our own.
Absolutely.
So what do you think? I think we checked off all the boxes on Matt and Francine's wish list and took this DIY project to the next luxury level. It will stand the test of time and be relevant for years to come. So if you have a project that you're contemplating, give us a call at Sheridan Interiors. We design interiors that transform and showcase your life.